Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make a landing page with Canva. First, open Canva and select Landing Page from the Design options. Browse the extensive template library to find a layout that suits your project. Remember, a good template provides a strong foundation for your content. You can easily drag and drop elements, making design accessible for everyone. This method simplifies the entire creation process. Once you have chosen a template, begin customizing it. Replace all placeholder text with your compelling headlines and body copy. Upload your own images or choose from Canva's vast stock photo library. Pay close attention to your brand's colors and fonts to maintain consistency. Make sure your call to action stands out clearly. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy design tips. On another note, just like making a landing page with Canva is an easy method, upgrading your home cleaning can be just as simple. Check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It handles the dirty work. Find the link and other deals in the description. Now, let's get back to the video. Before publishing, always preview your landing page on both desktop and mobile devices. Check for any formatting issues or broken links. Ensure all your images are optimized for quick loading, which is crucial for user experience. Once satisfied, you can publish your page directly through Canva or download it for external hosting.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.